So we will take up this topic of blood relations. So we'll talk about the blood relations theory portion. So there are three types of question in blood relations. We'll discuss it a little later and we'll start with the nomenclature of it. So the questions which are asked in this section are called dependent upon relations. So relations are the thing that we need to talk about. So now there are two types of relationships. One is on the paternal side, the other is on the maternal side. So paternal side, father's father, grandfather, most of you must be knowing all about this. Father's mother, grandmother, father's brother, uncle, father's sister, aunt, children of uncle, cousin, wife of uncle, aunt. So this is the nomenclature. So you should always speak in this nomenclature while referring to the relationships. Similarly, husband of aunt, uncle, mother's father, maternal grandfather, mother's mother, maternal grandmother, mother's brother, maternal uncle. So there is a differentiation between uncle and maternal uncle. Mother's sister, aunt, children of maternal uncle, cousin, wife of maternal uncle, maternal aunt. So this is all about the various relationships. Now it's generation 1, grandfather, grandmother, maternal grandfather. I think this is self-explanatory. Then there is second generation, and then the third generation and the fourth generation. So that's how. So let's move to the different types of questions, which is very important as far as the question solving is concerned. So types of different type. This type 1 is referring to this nomenclature where the relationships are mentioned. So A plus B refers to something. Similarly, A into B refers something. Similarly, $B refers something. Similarly, A at the rate B represents something. So before we go ahead with the question, okay, let's read the question and then we'll answer it and try to understand. So A plus B means this. In these type of questions, I need to go with the options rather than with the questions. So definitions are there, but obviously then which of the following means P is the son of Q. So I would be able to answer it only through the option rather than looking at the questions too much. Now what? Now before we go ahead, there are certain things about the relationships. Let's see. So if A is married to B, that's a general thing that I carry in all the types of questions. So if A is married to B, I will make this diagram. Correct. Similarly, if C is sister of B, I will make such a diagram. Now there is one more thing that I need to add up, that is male female thing. So one is A is married to B, okay, and C is sister of B. So if C is sister of B, what I can do is that I can put minus sign in front of C. I'm not sure about the gender of B. Gender of B can be male as well or a female. C is sister of B, so I'm sure about C. Similarly, D is brother of C, so I will make such a horizontal line and I will put plus in front of D. Next one is, if it is written A is husband of B, so I will put plus over here in A, and in case of B I will put minus sign. So this is very important as far as blood relations are concerned, else it can get confusing. Next is, let's say C is daughter of E, so I will make such a diagram, a vertical line. Now I'm still not clear about the gender of E. So C is daughter of E, so C का gender clear है but E का gender नहीं clear है. Similarly, if it is written that E is husband of F, so I will make such a diagram and I will put plus in front of E and minus in front of F. Correct? If it is written that L is daughter of C, so what I will do, I will write L over here and put minus sign over here. So these are the certain relations that I need to consider. For couple relationship, I put this sign. For brother sister, sister relationship, I put this sign. From father to daughter, father to son, I put the vertical line. Or father son, mother son, I will put vertical line. Right? Now let's start with the question. So let's start with the question. So I don't know which option is the correct one. So I will go with Q plus R, type 1 category. So Q plus R, what does that mean? So Q is mother of R. So we will make the diagram together. Q is mother of R. Q is mother of R. So Q में हो गया minus sign. R at the rate P. That means R is sister of P. That means R is sister of P. तो यहाँ पर लग गया minus sign. P at the rate N. तो यहाँ पर P के साथ लग गया minus sign. Correct? तो यहां पर हम आपको साथ में डायग्राम भी बताना सिखा रहे हैं। नाउ लिखा हुआ P इज सन ऑफ Q, P इज सन ऑफ Q हो ही नहीं सकता, राइट, क्योंकि आपने कर दिया है मदर, तो Q इज P इज सन और P का जेंडर फीमेल है, हेंस ऑप्शन A इज नॉट द करेक्ट वन, राइट. So let's proceed with the second one, and we are focusing on the diagram too much at this point of time. So Q plus R, Q is mother of R, Q is mother of R, तो Q के आगे माइनस साइन, R एस्ट्रिक P, R एस्ट्रिक P, R एस्ट्रिक P का मतलब हो गया अपना R एस्ट्रिक इज सेम एज मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो R एस्ट्रिक P is R is father of P, R is father of P, so R के आगे लग गया प्लस साइन, P at the rate N, P is sister of N, P is sister of N, correct. So अपने को इन्फर करना है the following means P is the son of Q. No, second वाला भी गलत हो चुका है, P is not the son of Q. Let's move to the third question. The third question says Q asterisk or into, it's one and the same thing. Q asterisk R, Q is father of R, Q is father of R, sorry, Q is father of R, so Q is father of R, so Q will be plus sign. Then what? R dollar P, R dollar P, R is brother of P, R is brother of P, plus sign, P at the rate N, P at the rate N, P is sister of N, P is sister of N. तो ये तो गलत हो गया, बिकॉज इज P the son of Q, तो ये भी आपका गलत हो गया. So option C is also not the correct. So obviously option D will be the correct answer, but we'll go in the methodical way and we'll prove it. So in the process you'll learn how to make diagrams also, which is critically important in case of blood relations. Q asterisk R, Q is father of R, so this is plus sign. R dollar P, R dollar P, R is brother of P, so I will put plus sign over here. P is brother of N, so I'm sure about the relationship of the gender of P, that is P plus male. So is P the son of Q? Yes. So option D is the correct one. So over here the critical part in blood relation is all about the diagram. So if you can control the diagram, then everything is possible. Even the differentiation of types would not matter till the time you are able to understand, comprehend and write down the make the diagram for each question. So let's start with this. A has 3 children. So what I would do, I would write A, don't look at the solution. B is brother of C. So B is not connected with any which ways with A in the first statement. So B is brother of C. So I will write BC and I will write plus over here. C is sister of D. So I will put minus sign and we will put D over here. E who is wife of A. So I will make this diagram as I told you in the last question, and the gender is also clear, correct. And A is mother of E, who is wife of A, is the mother of D. तो mother of D, तो mother of D भी है, तो mother of C भी है, और ये रहा. Then there is only one daughter. There is only one daughter of the husband of E. तो इसका मतलब हो गया D plus N, क्योंकि एक ही डॉटर है. What is the relation between D and B? D and B are brothers, correct. Next one is type 3. So there are 3 types of question. In this type 3, so if you can differentiate between the 3 types of blood relation, in one there was a nomenclature, there was a relationship, plus, minus, multiplication, and you need to decipher the code or the relationship. Over here, there is a direct relationship. Now in the third type, there is an indirect category, that there is the person in the photograph who is dash of this. So this is the differentiation between the 3 types of the blood relationship. So let's solve this one, and then you'll solve good number of questions in the practice session of blood relationship. So that would make us more clear about how to solve blood relation questions. Pointing to a photograph, Rekha says to Lali, the girl in the photograph. So Rekha says to Lali, the girl in the photograph. So let's write down this girl G. In the photograph is the second daughter. There's one more person over here. Is the second daughter of the wife of someone. This is that someone, right? The second daughter of the wife of only son of some other person, of only son of someone, of my younger sister, son of the grandmother. The wife was of only son of, that's the only son, right? This is minus, this is plus. Only son of the grandmother of my younger sister. Grandmother of my younger sister. So this lady is directly related to Rekha. And Rekha is saying the grandmother of my younger sister, so that must be Rekha's grandmother also. So this is Rekha. This is Rekha's younger sister Lali. I'm not sure about Lali. So, but this is Rekha's younger sister. Okay. How is this girl in the photograph related to Rekha? So that's for sure. So I'm not sure about Lali, but this girl is the sister of Rekha. So there's no doubt about it. So these are the three types of questions that you would see in blood relations. Right. So next session, in next session, we will take up the practice questions of blood relation, and that will cater to all the three types of blood relation questions that you can see.